Hey everyone, it's Roy. As you can see, I'm not in the treasure center. I'm going and heading to an appointment. I just thought I'd do a quick little video. I did leave the post office. It's 3 items sold last night. Not a big sale, but a good sale. As usual, anytime I sell anything, whether it's 1 item or 15 items, I'm always very happy and very pleased with the purchases. But 1 item that sold, I haven't even posted any kind of video. I went to a Salvation Army and picked up a bunch of plush dolls. I normally don't sell any kind of plush dolls or anything like that, but they had a bunch of new ones and ones in great condition that somebody had just dropped off. They were selling them for 50 cents. I think a couple might have been even $1. I don't know, but they had some good ones and some really good quality Disney brands and Build-A-Bear and other names. So I didn't even post them right away. They kind of sat, but you know, if you don't list, you don't make money. So yesterday I thought, well, let me go ahead and start listing these things and getting them out there. And within an hour, I sold the first one, which was a brown teddy bear Build-A-Bear. And my hand's not a steering wheel. We're stopped at a stoplight, so the Build-A-Bear sold for $14.95, free shipping. It's going to go first class. It's going to be under a pound, so I don't know. It probably cost me about $4 to ship it. I think that one I paid, I might have paid $1 for that one. So that was a good little sale. The other thing that I sold that I just posted in a video not long ago was a Coach eyeglass sunglass case. You know, I like to pick up those name brand sunglass eyeglass cases, the Ray-Bans, Oakleys, Coach, Kate Spade. I mean, just, you know, there's a whole bunch of different ones out there, but it's those name brand ones that will bring you the money. And if you can find them for, like I did, I think 50 cents a piece, 60 cents for it, and sold it for $10. So that was really good. And then the third item that I sold was a Hunter replacement ceiling fan remote control. Good bolo item. If you ever find ceiling fan remote controls, they sell really good. I listed it up there for, I don't know, I don't even remember what I listed it at, but I put a picture up here. I sold it for $20 and the buyer paid the shipping. So always a good item. Remote controlled ceiling fans. You know, it amazes me that something that simple, something that small, will sell for as much money as they do. Some of them will even sell up to $30 or better. But that one was just the remote control. I know it did work. And the reason I know it worked is because it had the receiver also with it that I could test. And but I sold them separately. So I actually have another Hunter remote control and 2 receivers now. So they were in a little freebie box. So I got those, and like I said, made $20 off of it. Got another one listed and 2 receivers. So I'm gonna, you know, I think I'm gonna probably make at least $60 to $80 off those. So those are good little deals. Anyway, when I went to that Salvation Army, they play a lot of music in there, so I can't really record the music for you know, anything that's a copyright against YouTube. So, but what I did is there was a pause, so I took a picture of my shopping cart, or I took a little short video of the shopping cart, and so I'll show that in the video. Just show you the shopping cart full of plushed animals. Also, one of the other items that I found in there was a Timmy Woods Beverly Hills Collection purse. Real good shape. There's a little bit of I don't even know what it is. The little design on the front is like a wrapped design. You see it, and I'll show it in a picture. I picked that up for $10. I paid up on that one. But if you ever find a authentic, genuine Timmy Woods Beverly Hills Collection purse, used, they can go anywhere for about $100, $150. Excellent condition. The new you can get easily. You can easily get $400 or $500 or more. So I got that and listed it also, and it was a really good buy. Like I said, I paid $10, something like that. I think I got it listed for around $125, but of course I'll take the best offer on that. So I'll show that. Like I said, I'll show that picture so you can see it, and also a little part of the video. So anyway, I'm about at my appointment that I'm going to, and I'll try to see if I can do, if I got enough time after the appointment and things going on, I may stop by a thrift store or something. So if I do that, maybe I'll get a little bit of recording on that one. Depends on which one I go to. So take it easy and catch you later. How you doing? So I just came out of that Salvation Army store behind me, and I did find this purse along with all the other stuffed animals that you saw. But one thing about this purse that I liked, I looked it up. I paid up for it. I paid $10 for it, but I was looking at comps and I didn't quite find this exact one, but I found a bunch of other ones, and they were going anywhere from $80 to $400. It's a Timmy Woods Beverly Hills collection, so I was really happy about finding it. So I'll get it home and show you a haul video of all the things I got. So see you later. Alright everyone, I'm back in the treasure center. I did stop at a little thrift store, picked up a couple items over here. So let me show you what I picked up. I was unable to film inside that store because they play a lot of music, and it's pretty crowded in there. It's a little tiny store, so I didn't want to bump into anybody particular, or again, I didn't want the music to bother or have to cut the video, but that's all right. I get some video of garage sales and thrift stores down the road. But let me show you a few items I picked up. All right, for about 50 cents, I picked up these Halloween little activity packs, I guess you could call it. It's got a music CD, stickers, crayons, and coloring book inside this little thing. It's kind of like a little kid's little party giveaway thing. Originally $4.95 a piece. I'll probably just lot these up and sell them, or maybe I'll sell them individually, I don't know. But they got some pretty good, the CD's got some pretty good songs. I mean, a lot of oldies songs, those good Halloween songs. Monster Mash, I've got my costume on, some Ghostbusters, Five Little Pumpkins. Anyway, a whole bunch of different good songs on there in that CD. So like I said, I may lot these up or sell them individually. I don't even know if they got a year on them. 2013 was the year on these things, so it should be good. The next thing I picked up, I really enjoyed to pick up, was this John Deere Employees Credit Union 1980 second edition, and it's a coin bank. It's got the model 1910 John Deere on the front, or I guess it's called the Waterloo at that time. but not John Deere. It's called the Waterloo tractor. But it's a really good, nice metal bank. So, you know, John Deere stuff sells really good. So that ought to go pretty good. I picked up a Lego Batman lunchbox. Lego movie stuff is pretty good. It was pretty cheap, so it's real lightweight, so that'll be easy to ship when I sell it. I picked up a Halloween pumpkin bag. I'm sure it's probably just a dollar store bag. I don't know, but I'll probably keep it for myself. Anyway, come Halloween time or something like that, I may put all the candy in there to pass out to the trick-or-treaters. So, little Halloween bag, probably just keep that for myself. All right, I picked up some more. Well, I was gonna call them boxing gloves, but these are the Everlast MMA gloves. Pink. Look like they've never been used. Real nice, good looking condition. These things picked them up for a couple $1, and these things will sell around the $20 range, $15 with shipping maybe. But I sell these. I sell these. These are a 12-ounce pair. They're pretty good. They're really good interest. Something else I picked up was this Wilson tennis racket. This is the Wilson Fusion XL. They still looks new, fairly new. Well, it looks fairly new. It doesn't have but a couple of scuffs right there, but I can tell the handle's been used. It hadn't been used that much. You can see the handle hardly has any wear marks on it, but not a real expensive tennis racket, but again, something that's gonna make some dollars. Oh, I did pick up this Radio Shack old Radio Shack camcorder tripod. I'm not gonna sell this. I'm gonna keep it for myself, or in here to use when I take pictures. At least I think so. I don't know. I might sell it. Got a little weight to it, and I haven't looked it up to see what they're worth. I just saw it was about $3, and still in the box. Still looked really good when I looked at it. So I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I'll sell it. I guess it depends on what the comps say, or if there's any interest for it. I don't know. Otherwise, I'll just keep it and use it for cameras for myself. And one of the last things I picked up, I thought was really cool. It's this metal tin. It says New Year's Eve Dance and Show presenting the Sisters in Concert, City Center Arena, Seattle, Saturday, December 31st, 1966. An unforgettable experience. What I thought was real neat with that is, of course, the City Center Arena in Seattle. That was the name has changed several times, but when it was called the City Center Arena, it was from 1964 to 1995, and in 1995 they changed the name to the Key Arena. So the Key Arena is now the name of it. It's been that way for over 20 years. But inside the tin are these little coffee mugs, and each one of them says the same thing on it. It says New Year's Eve Dance Show. It's the same thing that was on the front, and it's the Sisters. But I thought it was pretty neat. Little 4-pack coffee holder or tea holder. Anyway, I thought that was really unique. So I'm gonna have to get that listed. I think it's gonna do real well and bring some money. Anyway, so let me show you those plush dolls that I got. I already listed them, so they're all in here. I've got them all wrapped up and ready to go. And I want to thank all the viewers and subscribers. The viewers, thanks for watching. The subscribers, thanks for supporting the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'll try to get another video out tomorrow and show some more things of what's sold and some more items from thrift stores that will make some money. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Bye bye.